Okay, so quickly revisiting the techniques that we already covered. So, and your kick comes to the front. And your kick comes to the front. It's a little bit. It's a little bit better. Throw the thrust kick. Throw the thrust kick. Okay, so quickly revisiting the techniques that we already covered. So going back over front kick, side snap kick, side thrust kick, and a back kick. So exploring those again quickly. Obviously front kick, you want to be front aligned, both feet facing forward, and you're generating momentum to go forward, and your kick comes to the front. A side snap kick can be thrown with the same beginning execution as a front kick. So you can be facing your opponent head on and moving straight at them. Then you can rotate your momentum and bring it in as a snap. So that would look like that, which is not a great execution. It's a little bit better. Throw one more. Okay, so we're going for a snap. Alright. We then get a side thrust kick, which is thrown from a side-on position. Because with this side thrust kick, you need your base foot to face away from your opponent. To get your base foot 180 degrees around, to throw a thrust kick from a front position requires a lot of rotation. It's a bit impractical, so it would make more sense to throw a front or a snap kick. Not to say you can't throw a spinning side kick, or a spinning back kick even, but you need to match the technique to the purpose and situation and circumstance. Okay, so side thrust kick, side on position, base foot facing away. Hips are going to turn over and execute a thrust. So base foot's going to plant squarely, you're going to center your weight on that leg. The other leg is going to come up high and chamber up high, and once it's chambered, you're going to use internal rotation of the hip and knee. So you're going to use internal rotation here to bring the leg into alignment as you extend the hip. So you're going to use the glute to fire the leg straight, and you're going to internally rotate the hip at the same time. So what I mean by that is this leg comes up, so we've got this opening of the leg, so away from the center, and then you're going to bring it back into the center while rotating. Okay, so we've got it open, close, but close with extension. Okay, so side on, spot your opponent. Okay, so let's say I spot my opponent, I've got a bit of reach, gives me enough time to pivot on the ball of my foot to turn it away. Turn away, lift the leg, throw the thrust kick. So if I had to do it as a spinning, I could come through, I would need to twist all the way to bring my base foot to face the opposite direction. Breaking down the house. Okay, so hopefully that demonstrates what a side thrust kick is in comparison to a side snap kick. Snap is, you can see it has more of a snapping component, where the thrust has more of a driving component, extension through the hip. Okay, cool.